Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon or square icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply go to the very left, find this option clear all and tap on it. And now we can open the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully close all running apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.